Hey guys, here's a Era Invincible 5-lever British standard mortise lock. It is a new lock, this. There's the key cut for it. I've just failed miserably to do an out of the packet video of it. I was trying to use one of my homemade pick wires, but I just couldn't get under the low levers in it. There's 4 low levers in this one, and it was a bit of a struggle. So I've changed to the RB pick, which I don't particularly like, but it slides under those low levers much easier. Right, let's just check we've got this on shot. Yep. Okay. So lever number 4, the second one away from me as I'm looking at it, is the high lift. So what I'm going to do is pick that one first to get that one out the way, and then try and get all the low lifts, just nudging them up. Trying to corkscrew around them to get onto the next one. Without overlifting them, of course. Okay. There we go, free again. Three's gone into anti-pick, I think. It's better. Number 1 I've overpicked, so I'll just release tension and let it drop. That's number 1 set. Number 2 set. Trying to get under number 3. Five and 4 set. Three set, and we're open. There we go. Okay, the pick's getting stuck there, but that would be enough to open the door. You don't want your pick getting stuck in the lock. Open the door, and then, whoops, gosh, it already is stuck. And then worry about it later, I think. It's because this pick isn't very straight. Yeah. Well, I have the benefit of being able to take the lock apart, which will probably make it a lot easier. There we go. So first lever, low lift. Second one was the high lift. And then we've just got 3 more low lifts in there. I won't get them all out so you can see. Hopefully there's another 3 levers in there. So there you go, opened. Thanks for watching, guys, and do visit the forum at uklocksport.co.uk.